What's up, y'all? It's Angelo. Look, I've been getting a lot of comments on my videos about doing a tutorial on the strumming hand for just the two of us. I did a focus on the other hand and kind of neglected the strumming hand, so I wanted to give you guys some guidance on how I play just the two of us and how I use, for my strumming hand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower this camera a little bit. Let me see. And there we go. Beautiful. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna kind of merge them too. I'm gonna go over the chords again and show you what I'm doing with my strumming hand. So the first chord is the C major 7th, which sounds like this. Okay. So you have your C major 7th on the 3rd fret. I don't know if you guys can see that. To a B 7th. Like I said, the C major 7th. All you do is take off this middle finger and slide down 1 fret, and you're at a B 7th. Then you're going to go up to an E minor 7th. See? That's on the 7th fret. Down to a D minor 7th on the 5th fret. Same. They're the same shape. Nothing changes about your fingers. To a G7th, and then a C major 7th again. Okay, so once you have those chords down, what you're going to do is you're going to start practicing your strumming hand. So you have a hammer on the pinky, which is the 5th fret on the B string. Okay, so with that bar, the C major 7th bar chord, and you see, pay attention to this hand. So it's a pluck, a hammer on, a pluck, and a slap. Okay, and after that chord, what you do is you play an open A, just the open string, and that will lead you into the B 7th with the same strumming pattern and the same pinky hammer on. So together, another open A. Okay, so that last part, after you have your C major 7th, B 7th, open A, E minor 7th, walk it down to the D minor 7th, your fingers don't change, to the G 7th, and then you're going to slide on the 2nd fret. It's the same C major 7th hand position, and you're just going to slide up from the 2nd to the 3rd fret. So together it sounds like this. I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through. Okay, so after you play that first little verse, I call it like a tick-tock. Tick-tock, tick-tock, and that's just a palm muted open A. But watch. I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through. Tick-tock. To make those rainbows in my mind. When I think of you sometimes, I want to spend some time with you. So there's a variation that you could do instead of a walk down from the E minor 7th to the D minor 7th. You don't have to walk down, and I kind of mix them up throughout the song where sometimes I'll go, or I'll just go like this. Right? Okay, so then you repeat that through the whole song, and you get to, let me see something real quick, y'all. And then you're going to get to the part of the song that I'm strumming. And I like to choose the side of my thumb to do that because it's soft. Like the side of your thumb is soft, and it creates a nice warm tone, warm kind of muffled tone to the chords. It's the same exact chords, starting with the C major 7th. I hear the crystal raindrops fall on the window down the hall, and it becomes the morning dew. And then you're gonna have that Tick-Tock, right? Okay. I hear the crystal raindrops fall and on the window down the hall, and it becomes the morning dew. And darling, when the morning comes and I see the morning sun, same thing. Then you're just right back into it. Remember again the pattern. That right there is going to be repeated over and over and over and over again. Alright, so I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions or anything. I'm talking, you're just staring at my guitar. Let me just pull this up a little bit. Alright, y'all. I hope that helps you guys. Let me know if you have any other questions or anything like that. I also have a shout out that I want to give to Caden A. And I asked Caden if it was okay if I used his name. And they said it was. So that person was our 500th subscriber. And I tried to make a tutorial video just before this one, and I had to delete it because I messed up. But I can't say 100th and subscriber back to back. So we're getting close to 1,000 subscribers, which is crazy because we were like at 330 just a week and a half ago. It's blowing my mind. But if you notice that you're the 1,000th subscriber, please let me know. I'd love to give you a shout out, and really a huge shout out to just everybody who's been watching the videos and who has subscribed. Like, I just can't thank y'all enough. It's been crazy to me that many people are interested in what I'm doing. Absolutely insane. Thank y'all so much. I'm blessed to be able to play and for y'all to listen, and it's been really great, really great. So keep an eye out too. I just posted a song by Destiny's Child, Say My Name, and I'm probably going to do a tutorial video on that one as well. So just keep an eye out. I'm not sure when I'm going to do it, hopefully pretty soon, but go ahead and check out that new video I posted. I love y'all so much. Y'all are the best. Let's keep it positive. Let's go into 2021 just on a good note, y'all. I appreciate it. Have a good one.